Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the operation manager role. So for the content of the topic, we'll talk about introduction to operation manager and what do they do, job responsibility of operation manager, main skill of operation manager, and operation manager job description, operation manager job scope, how to become an operation manager, and keep tip to create the operation manager interview. So let us see the introduction to operation manager. An operation manager is vital to any organization's success and growth. They ensure business processes run efficiently, resources are optimally utilized, and goals are met within budget and on time, managing production schedule to overseeing supply chains and improving internal systems. And every department works cohesively toward the company objective. You can take a look at the operation manager with this illustration. For example, focus on data analysis and AI, remote work and global collaboration, focus on sustainability and social responsibility. So what do operation manager do? So operation manager ensure the seamless and timely execution of a company operations. They manage people, cooperation, budget, project delivery, and corporate strategy, and they are accountable for fostering the growth and development of the managed teams, contributing significantly to an organization's sustainable growth. So here are the job description and responsibility. So there are numerous duties commonly applied in most operation manager job description. So develop and implement operational policy and procedure for efficient operation, enhance systems, processes, and best practices, manage day-to-day operation, overseeing the operation team and department, ensure organizational process comply with legal regulation and standard, uphold health and safety guidelines and enforce compliance, and monitor employee and team performance, offering coaching, training, and feedback for improvement, handle budgets, forecasting, and resource allocation to meet strategic goals, collaborate cross-departmentally to align cooperation with organizational objectives, cultivate and maintain relationships with vendors and suppliers, negotiate contract for favorable pricing with supplier and vendor, and optimize business travel processes, secure corporate rates, and automate expense report and ensure compliance. The next job description and responsibility. Operation manager implement quality assurance measures for product or services and monitor production KPI. Enhance customer service quality and satisfaction. Analyze data to identify process improvement opportunity and cost saving. Manage supply chain processes including inventory, production, sale, and sourcing. Optimize workflows and processes for efficiency and cost effectiveness. Monitor manufacturing process to ensure high quality product. Oversee staffing plans, recruitment, and training. Report on operational efficiency and quality standard. Foster innovation and productivity through effective communication. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices. Integrate and business processes as needed. Maintain service operation to ensure sustainability, and develop conflict resolution program and lead conflict management practices. So operation manager need important skill or main skill of an operation. So here are some important skill to become an operation manager. Number one is about technical proficiency. Proficiency in technical allocation like production, automation, data entry, and software utilization for accessing project data, budget tracking, and process design. Integration of technical application within business for process tracking, automation, customer relationship management, and financial monitoring. and dependent on broad spectrum of technological function in company, emphasizing the critical role of technical expertise in operational management skill. The second skill is about data processing skill. So 2.1, so collect, input, and distribute operational data within the company computer system. Emphasize the significance of data processing and organization for monitoring various business functions like sales, transaction, incoming and outgoing cash flow, vendor shipment, customer account, product design, supply chain management processes. Number 3, product development is skill number 3. Active involvement of operation manager in various stages of project product development, contribute to new product development and design processes, and supervision of quality control for finalized unit. Monitor budget associated with product development project, essential understanding of revenue generating product development processes, requirement for skill to enabling support to product development teams, and effective project leadership. And you can take a look at the 6 stages of product development here. So the first stage means idea generation. The second one, defining product. Number 3, prototype development. And 4, develop product. And 5, testing. And the last one is deployment. So number 4, risk analysis. Integrate involvement of operation manager in risk analysis and mitigation for new project and product development plan. Analysis of company processes to identify potential challenges, and formulation of preemptive solution for possible harmful situation, and critical capability in an analyzing factor impacting organizational operation, creation of strategy and minimizing risk to essential processes, and crucial role in effective performance by employing risk mitigation strategy. Skill number 5, strategic planning. Possess strategic planning and critical thinking skill, anticipation of potential issue impacting successful outcome, application of creative solution to address challenges and aid team in achieving objective, interpretation of crucial input and information for decision-making in business processes, and importance of strategic planning skill in navigating challenges and fostering successful outcome. Skill number 6, budget management. Operation manager must oversee company production budget, necessitating strong business finance and mathematical skill. Making informed decisions regarding cash flow is reliant on this skill, and responsibility include like tracking costs and incoming revenue. Forecasting future production costs and profit is a crucial aspect of budget management, and collaboration with finance professionals to prepare and file significant financial report is also part of the operation manager duty. Skill number 7, staff management. To hold managerial position and oversee multiple employee team. So it means that to manage people or team. Efficiency and task delegation, organization, and maintenance of employee schedule is vital. Conducting evaluation and assessment of employee is a significant managerial responsibility that operation manager must do. You can see more 6 tips to help manager get back to managing, like look for process automation option, cut back on wasted tool, cross-train your employee, invest in dedicated employee onboarding process, audit company report and meeting, and hire a professional employer organization we call PEO. Number 8, decision-making skill. Essential role of decision-making skill in operation management. Capacity to discern and analyze relevant information impacting business operation. Consideration of diverse perspectives, alternative outcomes, and varying strategy. Facilitate sound decision-making for effective operational management. And number 9, problem-solving skill. Conflict like staff dispute and project deadline challenges can emerge in operation management, impacting overall success. Problem-solving skill aid in assessing options and implementing effective workplace solutions. Integrating conflict resolution skill is crucial for adapting to evolving situations in operation management. And we have five steps to effective problem solving. We must define the problem, brainstorm possible solution, evaluate the solution, and implement the solution. And the last one, monitor and adjust the solution. Number 10, the skill number 10 is communication skill. Operation manager must have essential requirement for operation manager like exceptional communication skill for daily interaction with colleagues, staff, and stakeholders. Regularly utilize written communication skill for technical data transcription, report creation, and intra-organizational communication. Developing listening, presentation, and negotiation skill is crucial for encouraging team feedback, leading meeting, and negotiating business contract. And here are some communication skill that we should know, like number 1, clarity and conclusion. Number 2, body language. Number 3, active listening. Number 4, emotional intelligence. 5, friendliness. 6, respect. 7, empathy. 8, cultural awareness. And 9, confidence. The 11th skill is organizational skill. Organization and attention to detail are pivotal for success in operation manager. Responsibility include tracking project file, employee paperwork, budget, and schedule. Noticing changes in significant detail aid in identifying production affecting factor. Implementation of strategy to maintain operational efficiency and keep teams on track is facilitated by this ability. Number 12, time management. Time management skills are crucial for operation manager in scheduling deadline and overseeing critical production milestones. Ensuring project completion within specified deadline relies on this skill. Organizing team schedule and assisted awareness of working hour and task duration variation. Time management challenges for us can look like often late, difficulty meeting deadline, regularly losing track of time, or difficulty following a schedule, waiting until last minute to complete tasks, and underestimating the amount of time needed to complete tasks. The 13th skill is interpersonal skill. Collaboration and interaction from a significant aspect on operation manager role. Interpersonal skill encompass empathy, compassion, connecting with colleagues, strengthening relationship with customer and staff through trust building is facilitated by this skill. Leading and managing team build compassion, foster creativity, and embraces diverse ideas and contributing to managerial success. We have some interpersonal communication skill or strategy that operation managers should do, like press, care, confirmation, clarity, credibility, stroke, mediation, report, rapport, and humor. Number 13 is leadership skill. It's one of the most important for operation manager. Operation manager must have strong leadership, because strong leadership skill enable the motivation and inspiration of others within the team. Fostering supportive and diverse team is a hallmark of effective leadership. Influential leaders utilize management strategy alongside their capacity to influence and motivate team members. Collaboration, sharing, and directing processes are facilitated by effective leadership in achieving objectives. Number 14, adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial traits within operational management skill. Fast-paced environment necessitate quick thinking and action by operation manager. Being open-minded and adaptable is essential to addressing diverse workplace situations. Number 15, quality assurance. Ensure product and services meet established standards through regular inspection and testing. Implement continuous improvement in processes to enhance product quality and customer satisfaction. Analyze performance data to identify trends and areas for quality improvement. Develop and enforce quality control system and protocol. Train staff on quality standard and compliance requirement. Number 16, managing strategic partnership. Cultivate and maintain relationship with business partner, supplier, and vendor. Negotiate contract to secure favorable terms and ensure mutual compliance. Collaborate with partners to develop strategic initiatives that advance business objectives, and monitor and evaluate partner performance to ensure expectations and deliverables are met. Resolve conflict and facilitate communication between stakeholders. 17 is about boost employee productivity. Implement efficient processes and tools that streamline workflow and reduce wasted time. Set clear goals and expectations and provide regular feedback and performance review. Encourages a positive work environment and motivate employees and enhances job satisfaction. Provide training and development opportunity to improve skill and career growth. And monitor productivity metrics and adjust strategy and resources as needed. 18. Inventory management. Operation manager must oversee stock level and order supply to avoid shortages and overstock situation. Uses software to track stock movement and forecast it accurately. Develop and implement inventory control. Procedure to reduce loss and improve accuracy, and coordinate with sales and procurement to align inventory level with current and future demand, and analyzes inventory trend to optimize stock level and reduce holding costs. Number 19, supporting HR initiative. Collaborate with HR to implement workforce planning and talent management strategy. Support recruitment by defining job role, participating in interview, and selecting candidates. Promote employee management initiative to foster a supportive and inclusive workplace culture. Assist in developing and enforcing HR policy to ensure compliance with legal and ethical standards. Facilitate training programs that enhance employee skill and alignment with business goals. Operation manager job scope. An operation manager is pivotal in overseeing a business day-to-day administrative and operational function, involving a broad scope of responsibility, including managing staff, coordinating activity to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in all operational aspects. Typically encompassing streamlining business operation, ensuring quality control, optimizing supply chain logistics, and managing budget and forecast. Working closely with various departments, including HR, to support staff development and adherence to workplace standards. Enhancing productivity, reduce costs, and improve overall business performance. Maintaining a sort of understanding of company objective market conditions and technological advancement is instrumental in driving strategic initiative and adapting processes to meet changing business needs. Alright, so that is the end of the scope of operation manager, and we will have more video to talk about how to become an operation manager. Okay, the second video to continue from the operation manager role. So another one is about how to become an operation manager. So follow the step listed below. Number 1, you have to earn a bachelor degree in business administration, management, or related field. Some industry may prefer candidate with an MBA for advanced leadership role. Number 2, start in an entry-level role such as operation assistant, supervisor, or analyst. Build experience in supply chain, logistics, project management, or team leadership. And number 3, hone skill in leadership problem solving, communication, and decision making, and learn how to optimize workflow efficiency and team productivity. Number 4, enhance your credential with certification like Certified Operation Manager COM, PMP Six Sigma, or Lean Management, and this add value to your resume. Number 5, learn to use ERP software, data analytic tool, and automation platform. Proficiency in Excel, Tableau, SAP, Oracle is often required in operation management. And 6, operation managers supervise team, resolve conflict, and ensure the smooth execution of business processes. Strong interpersonal and negotiation skill are key. 7, apply for mid-level management roles such as operation supervisor or project manager. Gain hands-on experience before stepping into senior management position. 8, attend workshop, webinar, and industry conferences to stay current on evolving business strategy, automation, and operation best practices. And next one is key. Here are key tips to crack the operation manager interview. So here are some key tips. So number 1, understand the business. Research the companies roughly, including its industry, product, competitor, and market position. So knowing the business model and its challenges will allow you to tailor your responses to demonstrate how to add value. So when you have an interview, you have to understand the business of the company, of the workplace that you are going to apply for. And the second one, it means that highlight relevant experience. Be prepared to discuss your experience with examples that align with the core responsibility of an operation manager. Example, when you apply for operation manager at school, you have to highlight your own experience that related to the school operation. So what are the previous experience that align with your job that you want to apply for as an operation? And share specific instances as well, where you improve processes, you manage team, enhance productivity, and quantify your achievement where possible. You have to showcase your achievement. And number 3, demonstrate leadership skill. Operation manager need to lead team effectively. So highlight your leadership style, experience in team management and conflict resolution, and how you motivate employee. And 4, so analytical ability. Be ready to talk about how you use data and analytics to make decisions. Discuss tools that methodology you have used for quality assurance, inventory management, or performance measurement. And 5, explain problem-solving skill. Provide example of complex problem you have solved or crisis you have managed. Explain the situation, approach, and outcome, and emphasizing your strategic thinking and proactive management. And 6, understand financial acumen. You might be asked about your experience with budgeting, financial forecasting, or cost reduction strategy. Prepare to discuss how you have managed budget and contributed to financial planning. 7, focus on communication skill. Operation manager must communicate effectively with all levels of an organization. Demonstrate your ability to communicate complex ideas clearly and effectively to different audiences, from frontline worker to executive leadership. Number 7 here means you have to communicate with all levels of teamwork, because at a company, at an organization or institution, we have all type of staff, from lowest to the high or the top one. So as an operation manager, you must have good communication, good rapport with all of them. And number 8, ask insightful question. Toward the end of the interview, ask questions reflecting your interest in the company operation and role. Inquire about technology and use, team structure, or strategic goal. 9, prepare for behavioral question. Expect question to assess how you handle real life scenario and structure your answer clearly and effectively using the STAR like situation, task, action, result technique. And the last one, show enthusiasm and cultural fit. Express genuine enthusiasm for the role and company, and so that you understand and align with the company culture, mission, and value. Okay, that's all for the operation manager role. I hope you can get more information about the role through my video. Thank you.